Just for some reference here, so you guys know where I'm at. This is the I-17 north of Phoenix. This is Crown King Road. I've turned off of Crown King Road and I'm taking Turkey Creek, or they call it a lot of different names. But today I'm in this area. If you look on the left hand side, a little line graph, I'm in this area where it basically goes straight up. And there's a difficult rock climbing section. Let's get to the action.
Do you guys see what is ahead? Definitely walking it. Definitely walking it. This is like rock climbing galore. This is full on rock climbing. I kind of want to play in the creek, not rock climb. But we're going to be rock climbing today. If we can just get over this 3-foot section, we're like golden. What side of the bike do I want to be on? I think I want to be on the right side. New deep water crossing world record, by the way. Deep. I wonder if I can stop here and just go check out the creek for you guys.
Yeah, walk around the bike. This kickstand's on the other side. Balance, balance. Stay. Don't fall over. Don't sink in the sand. Look at that, it's still dripping water. That was deep. Okay, keys off. Yeah, I'm gonna walk down there real quick before I have to face certain death. I mean, when I got in the middle of it, and I felt it go like up past my ankles, I was like, ooh, this is a new feeling I've never felt before. I don't know if you guys can tell how deep it is, but like way out there in the middle, it was real deep. I mean, you could get through it. I don't want to over-exaggerate it. Man, I wish there was a trail this way. Like if I just cross the creek a few more times, can I get up to that road somewhere over there? If I just ride the creek? But some spots of this creek I won't be able to tell how deep they are, because that one is like super deep. But you can see ATV tracks on that side. I don't know if he just came up here and parked. You could kind of see tracks on that side. But I don't know, running the creek is dangerous, guys, because you can't see. I'd almost have to get out and walk if I don't fall on all these knife-shaped rocks. The campfire, somebody camped here. But yeah, I'd almost have to, because that one's like a motorcycle swallower now, 9,000. That hole. Surprised there's no fish in it. Yeah, that's a motorcycle swallower 9,000. But, I mean, come across this, that's even deeper than what I just crossed. So, yeah, I don't think I can go. That might be deep, I can't see it from here. Looks like there used to be a fence across it on the right-hand side, for whatever that's worth. Oh well, let's just walk the bike up the road. Because it could just turn into a mess that way.
Yeah, like I said, we only got to walk the bike, I don't know, 2 or 3 feet. This would be like hard enduro stuff. See, if I hit the line on the right, it immediately pops the front of the bike up, pops that front tire up. And then it slams down right on another rock shelf. The line on the left almost looks better. You can tell where they were stacking rock. And that one's, you have one big bump in the middle there that would probably pop you up. But if you could get over that with momentum, then you're like smooth sailing up the rest of the line. But what we're going to do is we're going to walk up the right line, cross in the middle, and then go on up. Hopefully it works out that way, right, guys? I want to be on the other side of the bike. Kickstand's up so the kickstand switch doesn't bite us. Balance it, balance it. Walk around to this side. Alright. Here we go, guys. Clutches on this side. Gas. Like I said, we only gotta walk it like 3 or 4 feet. There's the first pop I was worried about. Don't. Oh. Gotta get the thumbnail photo. My freaking phone is broke.
To clarify what happened here, the left side handlebar went into my leg and broke my phone in my pocket.
That is not good. Look at that. Great. I think that handlebar went right into it. Sure did. Look at my pants. How are we going to get up this, guys? Step 1, pick the motorcycle up. Ugh. Step 2, get the motorcycle up off the hill. Alright, I'm going to cut here and seriously debate my life choices and get back to you guys. Alright, guys. Well, yeah, we seriously debated our life decisions, but we don't make good ones. That's why we're here. Off camera, I walked the creek. Probably should have recorded it, but I walked it to see if I could go through the creek to get out. Nope. That's a big dead end. And my boots are now properly full of water and sand. I don't know if you guys see that. Great. So what did I do different? I stacked some rocks. Yeah, look at that. I stacked some rocks, and we're going to try to walk it again. That's plan A. Plan B, if I can't get this thing walked, we're sending it. I'm going to get on it and just pin the throttle, and wherever I bounce, it'll be higher than how I can walk it. Yeah. So, walking it. Trying that way again. Also, now that my cell phone is broken, no drone footage rest of the day. So that's exciting. Oh, kickstand switch. Yeah, I was going to try to hover the drone right here for the 30 minutes of flight time that it has, so you get cool footage of me walking up this hill until I realized that the app to fly the drone is on my phone. And I screwed up and didn't install it on a navigation phone. I also took off all of my gear. I took off my camelback on my back, and I took off my storage bag on the back. So maybe it's a tad bit lighter. Okay, we made it farther than last time. Ooh, caught it with the clutch. Last minute, my brain said, "Let the clutch out." Brain is actually working today. I do not want to drop it down that side. Ugh. Like we are trying to do right now. Alright, we slid all the way where I didn't want to slide. I don't know if we're going with plan B yet. Reposition. Alright. We're going to try walking it one more time. Let's stack some more rocks. Because I feel like we almost got there last time walking it. Took the side camera off. Here we go again. Heavy beast. Kickstand switch. Not looking good already. Jeez. We got this. We made it. We made it. Why couldn't I just ride that up there? I'll never know. Oh, we made it. We made it. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Oh, we made it, guys. We made it. We made it. Oh, we made it. There's all my stuff. Put all my stuff back on and get back to you guys. Alright, guys. We are back at it. And I'm declaring, I'm putting it in the universe right this minute, that the rest of the trail will not get worse. I was gonna walk it, but I was like, nope. Not even gonna walk it. I just know it's not gonna get worse. So that's what we're declaring. Oh man, that was a fight. And I do mean it was a fight. Rocky, real rocky. Oh, the other side doesn't look as bad as that last one, but it looks rocky, bouldery in the middle. Crossing the creek again. I know they say you should take creek crossings fast, but you guys may not be able to see it, but there are boulders like that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Oh wait, that one. In the middle of the river. And they're slippery because they got water on them. So, my boots are already soaking wet. I'm going to take this creek crossing pretty slow, and then I'm going to try to get over to the left as soon as possible. Oh. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Alright. Bouldery, I know. That's fine. It's just not straight up. Which, straight up is what I have a problem with now. Boulders like this, I don't have a problem with. It's just the straight up part. I mean, you could almost waddle or walk. Here, there's a road to the right. Look at that. And it doesn't look like this. We're going to get out of the rut that we're in. Let me try to zoom in here. And we're going to walk around for a little bit because I'm going to walk this road right here to the right and see what it looks like. Or we're just going to ride it. Oh, I almost fell over. You guys can't see my footwork and what's going on. It's probably a good thing. Okay, I'm walking some things. I'm still not scared of these boulders as much as I was scared of that freaking rock crawling section. So I'm going to walk around, get back to you guys, inch by inch. We're going to get out of this desert alive. Oh yeah, we made it through that section.